My name's Sebastian. I'm one of the newest additions to the Brewie Ambassador program. I'm a Swedish home brewer and I've been brewing since I received my brew in December 2016. I got into brewing because I wanted to make my own recipes. This is one of the main reasons why brewery is absolutely fantastic. I'm not a really tech guy, but I like to explore different flavors and stuff like that. So I'm a hop nerd. Love to do everything super hoppy. I love to drink stouts, and this is the main reason why brew is super for me. I got a family. I got a daughter who's 3 years old soon. Taking a lot of time, of course. So really helps me brew and actually manage my family life as well. So that really works for me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm pretty new to home brewing, like brewing myself. I've been reading a lot of blogs, a lot of brew your own articles and stuff like that. So, like the text of it, I got pretty well at. But yeah, I need a lot of experience as well. So feel free to ask. I'm editing as well. Yeah, this is brewing. I'm brewing my sunny Sunday. It's not sunny anymore because cleaning and everything took the entire day, but this is what I'm doing. I'm drinking a lemon IPA, which I made myself, and tastes like sunshine. So, thanks for watching, guys.